Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Huel Shakes is probably one of the most convenient and nutritionally complete meal replacement options available today, offering a balanced mix of protein, carbs, fats, and essential micronutrients in a quick and easy-to-prepare format, making it an ideal solution for busy individuals seeking a healthy and efficient way to fuel their bodies without compromising on taste or nutritional value, and it's designed to be a sustainable and ethical choice for conscious consumers. Number 5. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our delicious chocolate vegan protein powder. It's packed with goodness to support your active lifestyle. Experience a blend of 54 superfoods designed to nourish you from the inside out. This powder is your daily dose of comprehensive wellness. Support your digestive health with 1.5 billion CFU of probiotics in every serving. Feel your best with a happy, healthy gut. Get a substantial 21 grams of high-quality, plant-based protein to aid muscle recovery and keep you feeling full. It's the perfect post-workout or meal supplement. Enjoy a rich chocolate flavor without any added sugar, dairy, or GMOs. It's a clean and guilt-free way to enjoy a satisfying shake. Whether you're following a keto-friendly or low-carb diet, this shake is an ideal meal replacement. It fits seamlessly into your healthy eating plan. Each container provides 15 servings, making it easy to maintain your nutrition goals on the go. Enjoy a convenient and delicious meal solution anytime. What we like? This option is packed with 54 superfoods and probiotics for gut health. It's also vegan, keto-friendly, and contains no sugar or dairy. If you're looking for a comprehensive nutritional boost with added gut support and want to maintain a low-carb or vegan lifestyle, this is a great choice. What people say. The Huel Black Edition is a complete protein source with 20 g of protein per serving, providing a good option for those looking to increase their protein intake. Huel Ready Meals offer a convenient and nutritionally complete meal solution, perfect for busy individuals who need a quick and healthy option. The Huel Hot and Savory Meals are a great alternative to traditional shakes, offering a warm and satisfying meal experience with a good balance of macronutrients. Number 4. KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake, Chocolate. Introducing the KetoLogic Keto Meal Replacement Shake. It's designed to help you achieve optimal results on your ketogenic journey. This shake is formulated with MCT oil and grass-fed whey protein. These ingredients are chosen to support your ketogenic lifestyle. We've perfectly formulated the macros to help you stay in ketosis. It's an easy way to fuel your body effectively. Enjoy the rich and satisfying chocolate flavor. It makes sticking to your diet a treat. Each container provides 20 servings, making it convenient for your busy schedule. It's a simple addition to your daily routine. What we like? This shake is specifically formulated with optimal macros to support ketosis and includes MCT oil for energy. It also uses grass-fed whey protein. If you are following a ketogenic diet and need a convenient way to stay in ketosis while getting your nutrients, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a complete meal in a bottle, providing all the essential nutrients your body needs. The shakes are convenient and easy to prepare, making them a great option for busy individuals. Huel offers a variety of flavors to choose from, catering to different taste preferences. Number 3. LyfeFuel Essentials Nutrition Shake. Introducing LyfeFuel Essentials, a delicious plant-based protein powder designed to be your complete meal replacement. It's packed with goodness to keep you going. Each serving delivers a robust 18 grams of vegan protein, supporting your active lifestyle and muscle health. Get the protein you need, guilt-free. Experience the power of over 50 superfoods in every shake. This blend is crafted to provide a wide spectrum of nutrients for your overall well-being. We've included 27 essential vitamins and minerals to ensure you're getting a comprehensive nutritional profile. It's a simple way to boost your daily intake. Enjoy a low-carb option that's also soy and gluten-free, making it suitable for various dietary needs. It's a clean and wholesome choice for everyone. Indulge in the rich chocolate flavor that makes healthy eating a pleasure. With 24 servings per container, it's a convenient and tasty addition to your routine. What we like? This shake offers a broad spectrum of nutrients with over 50 superfoods and 27 essential vitamins and minerals. It's a plant-based, low-carb, soy, and gluten-free option. If you prioritize a wide range of micronutrients and want a clean, plant-based meal replacement, this product is an excellent fit. What people say. Huel is a nutritionally complete meal replacement that provides 27 essential vitamins and minerals. It's a convenient and quick way to get a balanced meal, especially for busy individuals. Huel can be easily customized with different flavorings and additions to suit personal taste preferences. Number 2. Huel Black Edition Strawberry Shortcake. Experience the delicious and convenient Huel Black Edition. It's a nutritionally complete meal replacement designed for your busy lifestyle. Indulge in the delightful strawberry shortcake flavor. It's a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. Packed with 40 g of high-quality vegan protein per serving. Fuel your body with the essential building blocks it needs. Get complete nutrition with 27 essential vitamins and minerals. It's a gluten-free option for a healthier you. Enjoy 17 servings of this complete meal replacement. It's the perfect solution for quick and healthy meals anytime, anywhere. What we like. This version boasts a high protein content of 40 g per serving and is gluten-free. It offers a complete meal replacement with 27 vitamins and minerals in a strawberry shortcake flavor. If you need a substantial protein boost, enjoy fruity flavors, and require a gluten-free option, this is a fantastic choice for your post-workout or meal replacement needs. What people say. For those complaining about the lack of scoop, it's because Huel is being considerate of their environmental impact. They provide you with a measurement on the bag. 3/4 cup is 2 scoops. Make sure to add plenty of liquid. I would say 3/4 L of water or milk. It otherwise is a bad experience. Strawberry shortcake tastes exactly like that, and I like mixing it with part soy milk and part water. It does keep me full, but it's not heavy on the stomach, so it's like having a light meal. It can be grainy, but I also like it cause it's grainy like an oat drink, not like chalk. Banana is my favorite though. I like the flavor, and this has been the only shake that actually fills me up. Probably not, it is not a meal replacement, but an actual balanced meal. The cinnamon roll and banana flavors are tasty as well. Fantastic flavor. Recommend mixing the night before and refrigerating, as it seems to be less grainy that way. Mix again in the morning. Number 1. Huel Vegan Protein Powder Chocolate Fudge Brownie. Introducing a complete and delicious plant-based protein powder. It's crafted with 100% plant-based ingredients for your optimal nutrition. Indulge in the rich and satisfying taste of chocolate fudge brownie. It's a treat that nourishes your body. Each serving provides a substantial 20 g of protein to support your active lifestyle. Fuel your muscles and stay energized throughout the day. It's more than just protein, it's complete nutrition. You'll get 27 essential vitamins and minerals in every serving. Enjoy guilt-free nutrition, as it's gluten-free, non-GMO, and lactose-free. It's designed to be gentle on your system. With 26 servings per container, it's easy to maintain your nutritional goals. Simply mix and enjoy whenever you need a boost. What we like. This option provides complete nutrition with 20 g of protein, all from 100% plant-based sources. It's also gluten-free, non-GMO, and lactose-free, featuring a delicious chocolate fudge brownie flavor. If you're seeking a fully plant-based, allergen-friendly meal replacement with complete nutritional balance and a classic chocolate taste, this is ideal. What people say. Huel is a complete food, providing 100% of the RDI for all 27 essential vitamins and minerals. Each serving of Huel provides a balanced mix of 37 g protein, 35 g carbs, 11 g fat, and 9 g fiber, with 400 calories. Huel is designed to be convenient and quick to prepare, requiring only water and a shaker bottle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.